Happy sunny Sunday from Källtorp, Södra Nudist beach. This wonderful nudist beach on the lake Källtorp and in the beautiful Nacka nature reserve. We can hear some gunshots in the background that is coming from the area for hunting nearby. But this is not part of it, so don't worry, nobody will shoot me. So you see how beautiful nature we have over here with rocky cliffs, nice forest and beautiful natural lake. It is 6th of October 2024 and we have currently 15 degrees Celsius in the air and also in the lake. And before I go in for a swim, I'll show you my devoted gravel bike Scott that got me here. 11 kilometers it was on a very nice route, passing through first towards Södra and beautiful lake over there, then also entering the Hellas Garden on the road there, and I have arrived here on the spot. And the beach is quite big actually, and there were some people on the other side as it is Sunday and people are out for a hike, so I chose this beautiful spot over here that is simply amazing. Let me show you also a bit in the forest how it is. Very scenic indeed. Yes, this is how it looks like in the forest, and there is the path that goes around the lake, and the whole beach, this one, stretches for around 150 meters, and it is an unofficial nudist beach, but it is there on the Scandinavian Naturist portal, and I have seen many times people here swimming and sunbathing naked in the summer especially. But today it is 6th of October and it's gonna be now the last sunny day before the clouds come back. As I have seen the forecast, we're gonna have some rain and clouds in the upcoming days here in Stockholm. So this one over here is in Nacka municipality, and I have visited this beach sometime 1 month ago or something, and I thought today it was a beautiful day to redo it, as it is now 3 p.m. exactly, and I actually wanted to go to the sea today, but unfortunately I was partying hard yesterday. I don't usually party, but I went to bed at 4 a.m. so it was an exceptional night indeed. So I got up late with a headache, so there was nothing from the sea adventure today, so I'm gonna be need to satisfy with lake, but that's also good. And let's then take a swim in Källtorpshamn, 15 degrees Celsius in the lake, and looking forward to it. So let's get going. Let me exit on the outdoors there because there are some people talking nearby. I hear but I also hear the cars from the motor road nearby here. Oh, this is very nice here to enter. It's perfect, and you see it's very scenic as well. Okay, all right, cool, very nice view indeed. Look at that beautiful nature. So another day, another nudist beach on my channel, as I am posting what the viewers want to see, obviously. As I have noted that my normal beach videos have very low views, so I'm gonna be showing you these beaches from now on. Unless the numbers of my other videos goes up. But yeah, anyway, I think it's still good and very nice to show you the nature also. And all these nudist beaches are in the very beautiful nature here in Sweden. Cool. All right, so let's then get ready and take a swim here in Källtorp's nudist beach, the south part of the lake indeed. So, ready, set, go! Fantastic. Oh my god. So beautiful and nice. Oops. Oh, it was up. I ended up in a slippery rock. But here the view is super amazing. I have never taken a swim so close by to this place. I usually swim on the other side of the beach, but it looks quite scenic. And I can stand also here. Yes, look at me, I'm standing in the middle of the lake. But look at this natural beauty. It's super nice indeed. 15 degrees, cold but nice at the same time. So yes, with this wonderful view from Källtorp's Södra Nudist beach, I end my vlog for today on this beach, the number 164. I just can't believe that I have only 36 days left to reach 200 this year. So we are definitely on a roll. So thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Källtorp in Nacka, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.